to separate it.
That means it won't come out.
You're good.
Yes. So after this, then you leave it to cool down. It needs to cool down. Then after cooling down, leave it. Sometimes it might take about a whole day. Look at the color. It's brown. Is that not it? Yeah, very light and brown. Then when it cools down, they'll put it on fire again. You put it on fire again for the water to get out, for you to get the natural color. Now,
Okay, and we'll have the third one.
okay,
This is 2 days on fire.
this is the second time on fire. It's getting darker, but it's still brown. It's still brown.
Let's go this way and see the third one.
Now, the third one over there. Then, the fourth or fifth, you get this. Yes, that's one. That's the final
And
product.
I mean, this is the starting process.
So we can come to this place.
The other way. Other way. The other way. There you go.
It's just a little technology.
That's some serious work. That's some serious work. That's another process.
Okay. Okay, so this is the third one. It's getting darker. And there is no chemicals added. It has its own natural chemical in it. And this one is suitable for every skin. Whether you are black, you are white, you are green, you are blue, whatever, there is no problem. You have no allergy or whatsoever when you use this. Yeah. So then you put it down to cool. After cooling, that is the final product. And the final product is dark. Look at it. This is the final product.
It's like tar.
It's like yeah. Yeah. You see, this is the final product.
I have a question.
Okay.
Now, is this the base color for all the other colors?
Yes.
Get all the other colors from this.
Exactly.
Okay. The blues and everything?
No. No. What I'm saying is that maybe you didn't hear what I'm saying is that this one will continue to be black. But every human being, whether you are white, you are black, you are blue, you are green or pink human being, when you put on this as a cloth, you have no side effects.
Yeah, I understand that.
Yes. But you cannot get a blue color from this. The color that it produces is black.
Talking about the background, when they say with different colors, blue, red, blue, but the ink is black.
Now, when you look at the piece of cloth, this is red. They bought a yarn, and the yarn is red, and they weave it, cotton yarn, and the yarn is red. Whatever color that you want, you cannot get this out of this. No, it's impossible. Yeah, this one is just for the printing. So that's the way the process goes over here. A lot of people all over the country come here to buy this.
Really?
So that they also can use it for their products. So this place is like a factory that produces this and supplies all over the country. This is the only place you can get it.
Right here?
Yeah. This is the only place. The lady was shouting and he said, I'm dead. I said, no, you are not dead. The reason is that some people came and they wanted some to buy since last 2 weeks and they haven't gotten it. And the people are on the way coming. So they should get it from them. So whatever the case may be, you have to try. That's why they put this one on so that it will boil for them to supply. Yes, they are short in supply. And that's the reason why. Okay, so the water that they use here, they sink a well. They have a well here. Okay, so let's go this way for the symbols.
The symbols?
Oh, no. We are still around.
Here's what the stamps.
Okay.
Here goes the homemade stamp.
This is the chart. This is the chart that I was talking about. This is a chart, and in this chart, it's called Adinkra symbols, and it has every symbol has a meaning. Every symbol has a meaning. If you want to talk about the supremacy of God, we have a symbol, human being, 2 crocodiles eating into one stomach, and a whole lot. Some of them too are in books, that you can get the books. So these are some of the symbols over here. The piece of cloth that you have, you're going to select from this chart what it suits you. The symbol that you think, I love this one, I like the meaning. So you select from here, and then Elijah will help you. We'll go here, and then you do the stamping on your own. You try your hands and stamp.
But this symbol, if you want to buy some, later you come and buy some.
Yeah,
you have some here for you to use. The place, let's go this way. Show me the symbols you like. You pick 2 symbols so that you make it alternate to make it nice.
It's unfortunate we don't have a lot of the
People.
Okay, you can just go through this. Look through the symbols. What is
And once the cloths are ready, they'll get stamped right along here. So this is the manufacturing table where the cloths will be completed.
Hands of the storm, they are dead.